Hey guys, it's Justin from Outlaw E85 and we're back again. Now we're at the new shop, still getting settled in here. Already have a few M cars going. We got this beast, not the 328, the Outlaw M5. It's been quite the process getting switched over to the new shop. We got a video on that coming soon, but today we're gonna take a little bit of a break. Take this one out for a little cruise. Shop. Can't tell you the name of it or else it'll give away the car we're cruising with today. But we are almost there, you're about to find out. Here we are at Midwest Skylines. And here's what we're cruising with. Here we are back at the shop. That was kind of a short video, but I thought it was kind of cool cruising with an E60 M5 and a Skyline together. Our next video will probably have something involving this Outlaw M5, all cleaned up and ready to go. And then we definitely gotta do something about putting a motor in this F90 M5 here. The motor's here. Also got some content coming for that E60 M5. And of course, as I mentioned before, we still gotta do a video on moving shops. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Have a good one.